The most important benefit of circumcision is in the cases of phimosis. Phimosis is a disease where the foreskin of the individual is so tight that it cannot go back, it cannot be retracted back onto the shaft of the penis. So in that case, when the opening of the what we call prepuce, which is the opening of the foreskin, is so short and the skin cannot be retracted, an individual faces certain difficulties for which the circumcision becomes more or less indispensable. Like if the skin cannot be retracted, the individual is likely to get repeated infection into the area which cannot be cleaned regularly as a matter of routine. Secondly, it has been found that people who have got phimosis and the skin is not retractable, in their cases the chances of STD also they increase. Besides, these individuals, when they indulge in sexual activities, since the skin cannot be retracted, the most sensitive part of the penis, where the sensations are maximum, which we call tie or frenulum, which connects the main shaft of the penis with the bulb of the penis, that part where the sensations are maximum, the pleasurable sensation, that cannot be accessed. Therefore, a man is deprived of the sexual pleasure that he would have enjoyed otherwise. Likewise, even the woman, the partner, would not be able to enjoy the sex as much unless the skin is completely retractable. So there are people who say that the benefits of circumcision are so much, like it helps in preventing the infection, it helps in spreading of dreaded diseases like HIV/AIDS. Some are of the opinion that the cancer of the penis was also less in these cases. They very strongly advocate the circumcision, but by and large the opinion of the bigger chunk of medical fraternity is that this kind of surgery has to be taken up only if it is medically indicated and not for any other reason.